Welcome back. This is going to be a little bit different video than I usually do because it's going to be an unboxing video of my new Insta360 GO 3S. And this is not a sponsored video, by the way. However, if there's any sponsors that want to sponsor, feel free to reach out. But before we begin, a lot of you guys have been wondering what kind of setup have I been using to record all my videos. A lot of you guys have been asking me that. And I've been just using my phone, really. My S23 Ultra phone, Samsung S23 Ultra, and I'm just using that to film the whole time. I also got this gadget about 6 months ago. It is the DJI Mobile SE. Is a 3-axis gimbal that allows me to stabilize what I use to record. So basically what I do is I attach this magnetic gadget to my phone, then attach it to the top here, and it allows me to have a visual, like a really stable when I'm recording really cinematic videos. And it allows me to have facial tracking, which I'll show you an example right here. It's going to be a facial tracking of where I go, and it's very convenient because I usually film by myself. I'm sure you've noticed. And because I'm filming by myself, sometimes I run into an issue that I can't solve. For example, if I'm holding this, I'll always have to be holding either a selfie stick or a gimbal like this, recording using my phone, or just holding my phone like this, right, to record objects or videos or selfies. But the problem is I need to use one hand to do it. And sometimes things require me to use two hands, and I can't really record and film myself doing things that require two hands. For example, like grabbing food from a buffet, putting onto a plate. But before I had to just put the plate on film that, grab that on there. It takes so much more time. So I've been looking into action cams and things like that where I can put on my chest or on my hat to record. And guess what? I found maybe the perfect solution that came out last year I didn't even know existed, called the Insta360 GO 3S. It films in 4K video, and the form factor is very, very small. It comes with like gadgets already inside, and it might be the additional camera gear that I need that's gonna help me film additional videos. So this is gonna be my official unboxing video of the Insta360. Unfortunately, this camera doesn't allow you to put SD card in here. So there is a 64 gig version and a 128 gig version. The one I got is 128 gigs. And in the back tells you what's inside the box. It includes the camera itself, an action pod, which is kind of like the GoPro, the charging cable, the lens guard, which is on it, the magnetic pendant, where I can use it for the chest mount, easy clip, where I can clip onto the hat, a pivot stand, where I can like put it onto windshield or things like that, and or a stand. And basically that's it. And I'm gonna open this box, and you're gonna see how that like having two hands will really free up when I'm trying to film. Because as I open this box, as you can see, if I'm trying to do a top-down view, I need to use one hand to hold the camera, while my other hand tries to fiddle and one hand open everything. But with an action cam like this, I can clip it to either my chest or my hat and have a top-down perspective without needing to being so clumsy and messy, right? Here's what's inside the box. Of course, it comes with a bunch of the warranty cards, the instruction manuals, a little bit of stickers, and the charging cable. It uses USB-C. You can also use this to connect to the computer, to transfer photos, things like that, or videos. But also, you can actually transfer directly from the camera to your smartphone via the Insta360 app. You can transfer directly through, I guess, Bluetooth or whatever it's connected through. And here's the magnetic mounts. Okay, so it's basically like this. You take it out. This is the necklace. So you wear it underneath your shirts, and then you put the camera itself, and it attaches. So this is actually the action cam. So the action cam itself is cool because you can flip the action cam up, As you can see, I haven't even opened anything yet, but you can flip it up and you can see a selfie of yourself. And the camera itself is actually this in the middle, all right? And it's obviously, it is removable. So the camera itself is just this tiny. And like I said, just to compare how small this camera really is, here is a AA battery. And look at that. It is basically as big as the AA battery, okay? Side profile. All right, that's how small it is. And of course, I'll show you the hat attachment which I just clipped on. There you go. And this is gonna be like a magnetic of the top-down view. Or if I wanted to point it outwards, I can point it outwards a little bit, okay? And this is pretty stealthy. And a great thing about that is while it's filming like this, I can see what's being filmed in the action cam right here, even though it's not connected to each other. This action cam also acts as a charging station, which you can use it to charge this device up here. I believe the running hour is like, this is about 38 minutes by itself. But with the action cam, it's about almost 2 hours, I believe, of recording time. But if you bring like a USB battery bank, you can charge it with battery bank and have a lot of power. So pretty convenient. It's really stealthy like this. And I'm gonna go out and try to film some videos and show you kind of what it's like and give you a final review when I come back and get some shots. So I'll see you in the next part where I get some shots using this camera. And that's about it for the Insta360 GO 3S. Also, I forgot to say that the camera itself is waterproof up to like 10 or 15 meters, something like that. And the action cam itself is not waterproof. It's only splash proof, meaning if you want to go swimming, you can take the camera itself, but not the action cam. So remember to separate it if you want to go swimming. So thank you so much for watching Foodie Live Dan. I know it's a change of the title, but remember to subscribe. It's gonna help me a lot to get to my 1,000 subscribers. That's my goal right now. So please help me to get that goal. Love y'all. See you later.